Unlocking the meaning of boat ramp, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase boat ramp. Whether you're a fan of water activities or just love expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this term is quite useful. So, let's cast off and get started. A boat ramp is a simple yet important term in English, especially if you are near water bodies or interested in water-related activities. It refers to a slanted area, usually made of concrete or another durable material, that leads from the land into the water. This ramp allows boats to be moved easily from the land into the water and vice versa. It's essential to note that the term combines two words: boat, a small vessel for traveling on water; ramp, an inclined surface or slope connecting two different levels. Together, these words describe a functional structure dedicated to boats and watercraft. It is a common feature found in marinas, lakes, rivers, and coastal areas. The primary function of a boat ramp is to facilitate the launching and retrieving of boats. Without a ramp, it would be challenging to move boats into the water safely and efficiently. Here are some key points related to its function. Launching. When you place a boat into the water, usually from a trailer. Retrieving. When you remove the boat from the water, often back onto a trailer. Accessibility. Boat ramps provide access to water for boaters who do not have a boat slip or dock. Public versus private. Some ramps are public and open for anyone to use, while others might be private, requiring membership or fees. Understanding the function of a boat ramp is important for both practical boat handling and local regulations concerning watercraft. When discussing boat ramps, several associated terms might come up. Trailer, a vehicle attachment where boats are secured for transport. Tow vehicle, the car or truck that pulls the boat trailer. Dock, a structure where boats can be tied up and stored in the water. Slip, a specific place within a dock designed for a single boat. Marina, a harbor with docks and facilities for boats and yachts. Recognizing these terms can help English learners understand conversations and signs related to boating activities better. We hope this video has helped illuminate the meaning and function of a boat ramp for you. Remember, learning a language is like sailing on a vast ocean. There's always more to explore, and each new term you learn is like discovering a new island. So, keep practicing, and you'll be navigating the English language with the skill of an experienced captain. Until next time, happy learning!